Welcome to a new morning routine video. It is currently 7 a.m. and it's time to wake up. I used to be a lot more of an early bird, but there are already so many events happening for the holidays this week, so I'm just trying to prioritize sleep with a social life. I am quite lucky because LA, it is still pretty light out early and I can kind of wake up with the sun and stay somehow in a circadian rhythm. I just came back from a long trip in Japan and I'm finally over my jet lag. I was just so excited to get back home and get back into my routines because there's literally no better feeling than just coming home. First thing, brushing my teeth. I love using these little toothpaste bites from Bites. I am really trying to be more conscious about the products I use in my house and also in kind of my daily products like skincare and stuff, to use them without chemicals or artificial additives. Then get into my skincare. I keep it super simple. These hyaluronic serum and vitamin C serum are my staples. My skin has been flaring up a little, so I want to start prioritizing that this week and keep it super simple for now. A little moisturizer and we are ready. After my skincare, Katsu has just been patiently waiting for me to go onto a walk. She's so cute.
Hey, goofball. Hi, goofball. Good morning. Oh, you want to play? You want to play?
Max and I both alternate walking Katsu depending on our schedules, but I truly love the morning walk because it's just so nice to move your body and just get sunlight. Some days I listen to a podcast, some days I like to just walk in stillness. I want to create more time where I'm not consuming or doing something. Creating this stillness brings me a lot closer to how I'm feeling and I think also in a little bit more of a regulated state. After the walk, I make some breakfast. Recently, I've been waking up so hungry, and I think it has to do with the weather changing. I've been loving my single serve pancake, you guys. It's back. I feel I've shared this recipe before, but it's just so good. I love eating protein pancakes in the morning, but it can just be kind of a mess, so that's why I make it in the microwave for a single serve. I am using Ritual protein powder, and then make sure you use a protein powder that kind of works for this because some of them are not really fluffy and you can't really make this type of recipe. I try to get at least 20 grams of protein first thing in the morning, and usually I go for eggs or something savory, but today I was craving something sweet. It's so good with some Greek yogurt for some protein and some healthy fats, blueberries for some carbs, almond butter, and then also some seeds that are amazing for the hormones. I can literally eat this on repeat. Then after breakfast, I make my matcha. For some reason, I have been recently making it after breakfast and I sip on it while I get ready. I don't know, it might be still a little bit of jet lag that when I wake up, I don't really crave it yet. I am trying out this new pearl powder with collagen that's supposed to be great for hair and skin, so I'll let you know what I think. Of course, made my Nakama matcha with some frothed coconut milk. It was funny because I was going through my old morning routine videos on the channel and so many rituals over the past years are the same, but I also saw some slight tweaks for each season, and I feel that's the beauty of a morning routine. It can help you set up your flow for the day, but still serve you in different kind of seasons. I truly believe that the most powerful thing you can do to set yourself up is doing the 3 M's: movement, mindset, and meal. I'm doing my movement later. I'm going to do soul sync body workouts. Had my breakfast, and then now I'm doing something for my mindset. I love doing my journal for a few minutes and just write down my priorities for the day, some grateful prompts, and then a brain dump of thoughts for the morning. I also take all my supplements. I am quite big on my regime right now because especially after my miscarriage, I'm trying to rebuild my body and re-nourish it. And also because it's winter, it's nice to just get some vitamin D and stuff.
Good morning. Excuse me. We're just waking up right here. It is a really sunny day today, which honestly I am so freaking grateful for, especially when it gets a little bit colder. I feel my morning routine looks a little bit different from day to day, and it has mainly to do if I am filming in my office new workouts or if I already integrate that kind of in my routine already. To be honest, my routine has just been kind of like all over the place the last 2 weeks because we were obviously traveling in Japan for so long, and there's like not really a routine. Well, there's a little bit of a routine there. Actually, a lot of the things that I like to do here, like waking up early, moving my body, getting some sunlight, supplementation, all of that, I still do all of that when I'm traveling because it just makes me feel good. I was thinking about this term winter arc yesterday, and I know this is like a very popular YouTube thing and very popular type of word in the whole fitness space. Basically, you're taking the winter months to, instead of just letting completely loose and falling out of your routines and leaning into like the winter in that way, you actually leaning more into self-growth, self-development, locking into your routines. And I was like, wait, I can actually really relate to that because after my miscarriage and just all the travels, I am craving getting back in my routine and craving building strength. So I am currently filming a new program for January for Soul Sync Body. This exact program that I'm releasing in January is what I'm doing right now, and I am already halfway through. I feel on top of the world. I already feel so much stronger and so much better, not with overworking my body, just by gently and consistently getting into it, and it just makes all the difference. With a morning routine too, like I constantly adapt and change things and see what kind of works for me in my type of season of, you know, what I'm in. So I definitely feel I am in my winter arc. I am locking in the upcoming weeks, and I was like, okay, 2 ways to go about it. I can completely let loose and kind of get into this like stuck feeling, or I was like, wait, I can also use these 2 months to just really level up, build my strength back, build my muscles. So that's the journey I'm on. And if you feel like, hey, I want to be in on that journey, I want to be still moving my body, I want to prioritize myself, I want to feel my best self and feel confident in my own skin, you should join me. We actually have a really big Black Friday sale running on Soul Sync Body, which is my health and wellness platform for anyone who is kind of new here. I offer all my workouts there, from Pilates to strength training, a lot of nutrition with healthy meal plans that I've co-created with a registered dietitian, my recipes, and it's just really amazing to have community together there. So we only do like one big sale throughout the whole year, and that's like right now during Black Friday. So I'm gonna link it down below. It is 30% off of all memberships. So honestly, it is now or never, especially if you want to, I mean, even if you want to lock into the new year, but even if you want to lock in this winter arc and do that together with me. Okay, so the things that I really lean into my morning routine to get me to the place where I want to be and feel my absolute best self is waking up 30 minutes earlier. It really helps for me to kind of like set the tone for the morning. Then also hydrating a lot. Cooking my own meals is a really big one. I've been eating out a lot, so I just want to make sure that I'm not constantly ordering food, but also just cooking my home meals. It's really the best way because you actually know what's in your food. And then I'm leaning heavily into strength training. I am in a phase where I'm rebuilding my body. I want to build strength. I want to build muscle. Ladies, you gotta grab some weights for that. I'm actually having so much fun with it as well because I can just feel the progression over time pretty quickly in how I can move to slightly like heavier weights and stuff. But anyway, today is a day that I am going to the office and filming. So this is why I kind of do my whole morning routine before I do my workout. Otherwise, I'll squeeze in my workout kind of before I do my makeup and stuff. I'll actually take you guys with to the office and kind of take you with through my regular workout that I always post on the app. Sometimes people ask like, what kind of workouts do you do? And I'm like, I do exactly what I put on the app. I have a weekly schedule there and stuff, and I follow that along as well. So let's get dressed and it's time to go.
Okay, we're heading to the office. It's kind of nice that this is also my gym at the same time. So today I'm filming a back and shoulder workout with weights. I love adding some weightlifting with my Pilates routine as it gives me the best results. Today was 35 minutes. You truly do not have to spend hours in the gym to get results and feel good. If you want to follow along during my workouts and feel like you're in class with me, I will link the discount code for Soul Song Body down below and you can join the community. After this, I went straight into work and that was my morning. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.